Season's greetings from me, Pops Reductions Tech, and I trust that everyone is having a blessed holiday. Now today I have with me the BLU Grand X, and today I'm going to show you how to bypass FRP lock on this device. Now it's going to be a bit more tricky, but if you follow me carefully, then you will get how to do it. Now you can see that we're stuck here and we cannot go any further. This is because you forgot your Google account, of course, and I'm sure that's why you are here. So let's get started, and just follow me carefully, and you should get through. So you need to download the firmware for your device. So you can search on any website online. One website that I know usually, well, this device is a Mediatek device, so this will only work on Mediatek devices. So there's a website called Android MTK where you can download firmwares for the different Mediatek devices. So I have the folder with the device's firmware, and you can see what we're going to do now. We're going to open the scatter file, and we're going to copy a few hex code from this file, and we're going to paste it on SP Flash. But guys, that in order for SP Flash Tool to work for you, you need the Mediatek preloader drivers. Now I have a video on this, and I will link the video in the description in order for you to check it out, because this is very important. If you don't have the preloader drivers, then this will not work for you. Tool, so you're going to load the scatter file here. So let me just do that so you can see. So you go to the folder where you have the firmware downloaded and extracted, and you load the scatter file. Okay, so deselect everything that's there and go over to format, manual format, and now we're going to open the scatter file. Now if you open it with Notepad, you notice that it's that way, so I prefer that we use WordPad, which is much better. So you're just going to apply and open. Now using CTRL and F on your keyboard, you would be able to find the partition in this text file called FRP, and you're going to see FRP over here, and scroll down, and we're looking for the linear start address. Now mine and yours may be different, so don't worry if you see the values on mine as being different. So you're going to copy this over here, then go back over to SP Flash Tool and paste it. So paste here and also on the bottom, and now you're going to click start, and you're going to turn off your device. So right now it's waiting till the device is connected, so just power off. Grab your USB cable and connect to the device. Connected the cable, and you can see the flash is now complete. So you disconnect and now power on the device. So it's really quick, it's a very quick process. I would say just a second, you just connect the device, and immediately when you connect, it would start the flash process. So let's power on and see if we have gotten rid of the FRP lock. Okay, so it looks like we have bypassed it. Let's just connect to the Wi-Fi and see. Okay, so now you can see that the message has removed, and we have now gotten rid of the FRP lock on the device. So you can see that this was quite simple, although the process was a bit tricky. I know it may be tricky for some of you, but like I said, if you follow me carefully, you'd get it. So let me just set up the device. Okay, so I'm on the home screen here, so you can see that we are now complete. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I really trust that I helped you out in this video, and if I did, share it with others, like the video, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.